We have now concluded our unit on comets, asteroids, and exoplanets. We are now going to complete a project called Virtual Reality, which will demonstrate what you have learned on this unit. Virtual reality allows your image or project to come to life. For virtual reality, you'll need an iPhone or Android, the CoSpaces app, and a set of cardboard glasses. If you don't have these glasses, you can make them or order them, but they're not required for this project, but they make it more fun. Now come check out a virtual reality space with me. This is CoSpace, an area where you can create your own virtual reality space. You'll be using your own images to create your project. You'll be demonstrating what you've learned on exoplanets, asteroids, and meteors, and you'll be sharing it with our class. So watch this tutorial on how to make CoSpaces on your desktop computer. Go to the CoSpaces website and click Sign Up at the top. Create your account so we can get started on creating your virtual reality experience. I'm going to zoom in now a little bit closer so I can show you all the features of this program. Your account, all you have to do is click Create Project. When you do that, your virtual reality space will be created and it will look gray. Now you're going to enhance it. There's a cube here at the bottom where you'll see various icons that you can add to your virtual reality space. But keep in mind, you'll be doing a project on asteroids, meteors, meteorites, exoplanets, and comets. So these images may or may not work for you. Also, there's another area there that you click. There's additional icons. There's these three-dimensional structures you can select from. You can also click on the smiley face, and any of these can work for you. One that you're most likely going to use is this text marker. To access that, all you do is click on it. Click on the text marker itself. Click on the paintbrush. You can change the color of the text. And you can also click the tag and change the text itself on the actual virtual reality space. Now you're going to say more than this is an exoplanet, but you'll be writing probably some more information about that exoplanet in detail for your project and following all the guidelines that are in your rubric. But that's basically how the text marker works. When it comes to pictures, if you want to use a picture, it will actually search the web for you. If you type in Andromeda, which I'm doing right now, it'll pull a picture up and you can just drag it right into your virtual reality space. You can also change the size by dragging on the arrows and move up, make it larger. You can click on the image itself and change the color of the side so that when I go to move it, you can see it's now gray on the side. You can use your mouse to zoom in, zoom out, and you can rotate all over the virtual reality space. So if you have an image that you want to drag in that is already saved on your desktop that you cannot find by searching for the image, you can drag it in. Now it's going to take a little while for that image to load, but it will load. In addition, if you click on this wheel, you have the ability to change the shape of the surface you're working on from circle to square. You can change the mood and add clouds, nighttime, okay, and just like that. You can also change the size of your work area, small, medium, or large. You can change the look of the environment that you're working with. The stage, this bottom layer here where the grid is located at, you can bring an image in and change the floor or what the virtual reality stage space looks like. If you enjoy music, you can click on your music icon and add an MP3 file to music that is appropriate for educational use. It could be a rock song, but please no inappropriate lyrics. But you can bring in music to your virtual reality space. So you'll be focusing on doing the project on asteroids, meteors, meteorites, comets, and exoplanets. You'll be bringing images in and also using that text marker to write up some information about each of those pictures demonstrating what you have learned. Also, if once you've completed this project, if you don't have enough space, you can also write below the project or you need to have some written commentary included about the project. To share the project with our class, all you're going to do is click the share button. As you can see, it provides you with a URL. You will provide that URL in our forum in addition to your written commentary. And then your peers can actually visit your virtual reality space. At this time, I'm going to show you how to use the CoSpaces app and use the cardboard glasses if you have those available. Again, having a cell phone, an Android or an iPhone is not required for this project. The only thing that's required is that you design this environment on this space, but having those devices can make the project more fun for you. So I'm going to show you that app. After loading the app on your phone, you'll open it like this, and then you'll change the app into virtual reality mode. If you have your glasses, this is the time to put them on, and you'll actually be able to see the image in 4D. Again, the glasses are not required, but the project sure is a lot more fun. So a tip so you can begin this project. Review the rubric below and be sure to meet all the requirements of the project. Not only include a link to your project, but also a written explanation. Be sure to evaluate a peer's project and provide them feedback. This project is about having fun and demonstrating what you have learned. So let's all try some virtual reality.